This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming control of the Gmail account tied to Find My Device. This is essential. Open Settings, go to Google, then Security, and tap Find My Device to see the linked devices. If you cannot access the phone, sign in at My Account. Google, COM on a PC or another device. Once signed in, make sure two-factor prompts arrive at a reachable method. If not, pause and recover the account first. You want direct access, so you can remove the device cleanly and avoid accidental lockouts. Now you remove the device. In the Find My Device interface, select the specific device and choose Sign Out or Remove Account from Device. Confirm when prompted. If the phone is offline, switch to My Account. Google, COM, open Security, then your devices and manage devices to locate it and choose Remove. Once done, the device will no longer report location or accept remote actions from that Gmail account. Make sure to also remove the account locally on the phone if you still have it in hand to fully sever tracking. Finish by verifying removal. Open My Account. Google, COM, go to Security and confirm the device no longer appears under your devices. If it still shows, sign out everywhere, clear browser cache and wait 10-15 minutes, then refresh. Google sometimes delays updates. If the device is locked or you lost access, change the Gmail password and remove account access remotely to prevent relinking. Then contact the device owner or perform a factory reset if you control the hardware. One key tip: network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.